Alright guys, so it's another day. Welcome back to the Suzuki DR 600. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check my previous video up. I picked this Suzuki DR 600 for 300 bucks. It had some clutch problem. I bought it from my friend. Supposedly it runs. I have it running for a brief moment, but off camera. Now I can't start it, so let's take a look if I can start it today. So guys, I'm officially giving up on that DR600, at least on camera. I will try to start it behind the camera. If I can make some clips of it, start it, I will include it. If I can't, I can't. So now I have a clue on something that can be started easily. So let's hit the road, let's pick it up, and we'll see if we can get that thing running. So shall we? Alright, and I'm back with the bike inside the van, so let's take a look what I got. And yes, it's the little thing again, so let's take a look at it. I already said to myself that I have to check these things deliberately and more carefully when I'm buying these things. And guess what I did yesterday? Do you think that I checked anything? Nah, I didn't. I just kicked the engine over if it has compression, which it does, and then I loaded it into the van. I paid 200 bucks for it. It doesn't run. They changed the engine, and for some reason it doesn't run now. So we will see what we can do with it. I didn't catch that the air filter is missing. As you can see, we have some rust on the forks, on the wheels, front and rear. So let's get it outside and take a better look at it. So now we can take a better look at it. We can see the rust on the rims. This valve stem looks pretty new. That means it may have a new tube. There is some brake pads on it. There's that surface rust on those forks. Nothing's unusual here. The brake lever and the clutch lever seems to be fine. It has some gas in it. There's the starter relay. I don't know why, when this doesn't have starter. Whatever. The exhaust tip, the exhaust muffler is not bad. We have brand new rear tire, flat of course, but it has new valve stem. That means it has new tube, and that tube is probably pinched. That's leaking as usual, but it's not full of play. It doesn't have ton of play. It looks fine. It has the shifter. What about the rear brake? The The rear brake even works. Throttle cable works. The only thing we are missing is that air filter. And it's set outside for some time. The best thing about this is it came with seat that's a little bit ripped. And rear and front mudguard looks fine. All the plastics look fine. And then we have a brand new set. Not even unpacked. So that's real nice. So let's pop you in the stand and see if it has compression. Yeah, it does have compression. Let's check the oil. I need pliers. Yeah, it's brand new oil. So we'll see. So this is going to wrap the DR 600 series. We'll see if we can have a better luck with this little pit bike. So until then, please consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Leave some nice comments. Give this video a like, dislike, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! And also, when I was driving home with that pit bike, the exhaust fell off. So there will be a video on the exhaust, so stay tuned for that if you want to see an exhaust change on this 2003 Ducato. I'm sorry, jumper.